ನಂಗೆ ಬಿಳಿ ಭೂತ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರು. Online students, good morning. Am I audible? Very good morning. How are you all? After a long time seeing you people. ಕನೆಯ ಈ ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಇದೆರಡು ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Phone. Ma, male in the third one. How are you all online students? My dear online students, how are you all? Enjoyed holidays nicely? No, na. Why? You didn't go to native, huh? Why? What is there to celebrate that? Diwali you will go, no? No. Then when you'll go? After you get job, you'll go? No, adu kuto no. Okay, good. Guys, you all don't want to come to the class, sir. Still now there are no one who has come to the class. You know what's the strength of offline? 5, no 6. Okay. What we learned last class? 5 days break, ma'am. Everything gone. What did you learn in last, before those 5 days holidays? What did you people learn? LPAD, RPAD, then substring, instring. When you will use substring? When you will use substring? Whenever you want to extract a part of string from one complete string, then you will be using substring. When you will be using in-string? In-string. Yeah, when you will be using in-string? Online students, the question is for you also, not only for them. Yeah, when you will use in-string? In-string. Whenever you want to know the position, then you will be using this in-string property. Yes. What are the different types of string functions we learned till now? Length, uppercase, lowercase, length, reverse, then concat, LPAD, RPAD, then replace, substring, and in-string. You are left out with still more. You are left out with still 3 more. That is left function. One is left function. Another one is right function. And the last one is ascii function. Yes or no? These were the different types which were left out in string functions. Yes. Now take down the first question. Take down the first question. Write a query. Write a query to extract. Write a query to extract the leftmost. Leftmost. Write a query to extract the leftmost 5 characters. The leftmost 5 characters from the hospital location. From the hospital location for each hospital. From the hospital location for each hospital. Yeah. Now, if you see the question, see, you have three types of function. One is left, right, and ascii function. Yes. Now, according to the question which I have given, which function will you use? Obviously, left. Yeah, left. What are they saying? Write a query to extract the leftmost 5 characters from which one? From hospital location. Yes or no? So, the first query says you have to select. Select what? Select what? Hospital location. So, let me write select hospital location. Now, they are telling you to select the hospital location, and in that hospital location, from the left side, yes or no? They are telling from the left side you are supposed to extract, yes or no? So I will be using the function called as left of hospital location. How many characters are they telling you to extract? 5 characters. So I will just say comma 5, and then Matan, from which one? From which table? From the table called as hospital. Yes or no? Yes. Clear with this one? Yeah, Mahinda. You don't want to come to class, huh? Why? Strength. You only see. Call your friends and spit on their face. Yeah. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Right. Huh? Emra. Write a query. Write a query to get the first 3 characters. Write a query to get the first 3 characters from the hospital name. From the hospital name for a specific hospital. For a specific hospital. For a specific hospital having hospital code. Having hospital code 101. Having hospital code 101. Good. Hairstyle is good. Huh? Okay. Now, see, previously when they gave the question, they said to you whether you have to extract from the left side or the right side. According to the previous question, it was from the left side, and they said you were supposed to extract 5 characters. Yes or no? Yes. So now, in this second question, what they are telling, neither they are telling whether you have to take it from the left side or right side. They are just telling you to extract how many characters? If you observe that, they are not just telling 3 characters. They are telling first 3 characters. So obviously, if you write first 3 characters, is it from the left side or right side? Left side? Yes. How will you write the query for that one? How will you write the query for that one? You have to select. Should I use left function or right function? Why left function? Because they are saying first 3 characters. So what I have to extract from this? Hospital. I have to take out hospital name. How many characters are they telling you to extract? 3 characters. They are telling you to extract 3 characters. From which table? From the table called as I will throw you people out. Now, is there any condition there? What is the condition? Where hospital code is equals to 101. Correct? Next question, Sudhakar will solve. Yes, you will solve. Come on the board. Come, Sudhakar. No, come. Come, get up soon. Otherwise, I will not take the class. Come, get up. After that, your friend will also write. Trust me. No, 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 no. You come. You come. Sudhakar. Otherwise, don't attend my class. Go out. Go. Go out. Come, I will help you. Come. Come. Sudhakar, come. Don't make me get angry. Come. Come, Sudhakar. Fast. No. Parvagila. Now, the same question I am teaching. Come. The same topic. No, you come. Come. I will teach you, da. Come, I'll not scold you. I'll not scold you. If you don't come now, I will scold you for Bakka, I will scold. Come. No, come. Next question you'll solve. Okay, done. Next question, Sudhakar will solve. You people are the witness for that. Okay. Take down the question. Take down the question. How can you retrieve? How can you retrieve the rightmost 7 characters? How can you retrieve the rightmost 7 characters? How can you retrieve rightmost 7 characters from hospital location? From hospital location for all hospitals. From hospital location for all hospitals. Now, which function you are supposed to use? You are supposed to use right function. Yes or no? So, how will you write the query for this one? Yes, everyone. So, let me write it here. Yeah. So, now they are telling you to select. Now, what are they telling you to extract? Extract it from the left side or the right side? Right side. So, I will be using the function called as right. Yes or no? Now, from the right side, what are you supposed to extract? From which one? Hospital name or location? Hospital location. They are telling you have to extract it from hospital location. Now, how many characters are you supposed to extract? 7 characters. So, you will just mention 7. And from which table? Have they given any condition? No? Clear with this? Yes? Yeah. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Yes, Sanjay and Darshan, you're correct. The next query is, Sudhakar, now come on the stage. Extract the last 4 characters. Extract the last 4 characters from the hospital name. Extract last 4 characters from the hospital name for a specific hospital. For a specific hospital having code 101. Extract last 4 characters from hospital name. How many characters? 4 characters. From which table? From the table called as hospital. What is the condition they have given? Where hospital code is equals to? I am only saying everything. Where hospital code is equals to 101. Yes or no? Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the ascii value. Husky alla, ascii. Write a query to display the ascii value of the character A. ASCII value of the character A. So now you don't have any input or data like A. So can I call it as a raw data? Yes or no? So now which function are you supposed to use here? Which function you're supposed to use here? You are supposed to use the function called as ASCII. What do you mean by ASCII function, guys? Sorry? Huh? Chipma, what do you mean by ASCII? Akka, abbreviation kado. What do you mean by ASCII value? Huh? Online students, what do you mean by ASCII value? What do you mean by ASCII value? What do you mean by ASCII value, Supriya? Husky? Husky? Ray, ASCII ra, ASCII, not husky. Husky is dog. What do you mean by ASCII value? A character having specific value is called ASCII value. Okay. Now tell me, how will you write the query? Now they are telling you to get the ASCII value of the character A. If you are mentioning any character, you have to take it inside single quotes. Yes or no? Now there is no table because A is a raw data. You cannot fetch it from any table. Yes or no? Now tell me, what output will I get? Huh? How 65? The ASCII value for A is only 65. So that is the reason you will get 65. Now, if I say, get the ASCII value from the last alphabet Z, will I get the value? Will I get ASCII value for the second character, third character, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th? Will you get the ASCII value for that? Yes, sir. No, you will never ever get the ASCII value for second, either than one, any other characters you have, like 10th value, 5th value, 8th value, 100th value, you will never ever get the ASCII value directly. Indirectly you can get. By using substring, you can get indirect value. Yes or no? Yes or no? Who are you? See, ASCII value means it will get or it will fetch the value only of the first character. Only for the first character, it will always fetch the value. If you have if you have a word called as Ajay, okay, and from that word, now I'm saying that you have a word called as Ajay, okay. So you will get the ASCII value for the first letter A. Means since this is the first character, you will get the ASCII value. If I say in this word, you get the ASCII value for the last letter Y, you will not get. You will not get. Why you will not get? Because ASCII function or ASCII value is only used to get the value of the very first character. It will not allow, if I say, ma'am, I want for J, A, no. For no, except the first character, for no other characters, you will get the ASCII value directly. But indirectly, you will get. How? I will tell you first. Okay. Take down the next query. Create a query. Create a query to find the ASCII values. Create a query to find the ASCII values of the first character. ASCII value of the first character in each hospital name. In each hospital name. Now, they are telling you to get the ASCII value from the table, from the column name, hospital name or hospital location, hospital name. They are telling you to get the first value of all the hospital name which is present in that table. Yes or no? So now how will you write for this? Select ASCII and then what, from which table, from which column you are supposed to extract? From the column called as hospital name. Are they telling you how many characters you are supposed to extract? You already know that if you use ASCII function, it will take only the first character value. So no need to mention. Okay. From which table? From which table? From the table called as hospital. Yes or no? Yes or no? Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Online students, are you people following? Online students. I know there are some offline students also in the online class. I don't know why you people are not attending the offline class. Take down the next question. Display the ASCII value. Display the ASCII value of the second character. Display the ASCII value of the second character. Display the ASCII value of the second character in hospital name. In hospital name. Will I get it? Will I get it? What output will you get? What output will you get? Error. Why error? Because they are telling you to get the second character. As I said you, ASCII value will only fetch the first character value and not the second character value. Yes or no? But I said indirectly you can get the ASCII value. How? How will you use substring? See, why substring is used? In one complete string, as I said you in the starting, if you have a string, from that string you are supposed to take out some value. Then you will be using a part of value. Then you will be using substring. Yes or no? Now, they are telling you to take the second character from the hospital name. Hospital name or location? Hospital name. Yes or no? So how will you write for this? How will you write for this? Yes, my dear students, think. See, they already, someone said that you will be using substring. How will you use that substring? So you already know that I have to use ASCII. Yes or no? Because according to the question, they are telling you to get the ASCII value of the second character. So I will be using ASCII. Now, if I have to get the second character, obviously from ASCII function, it is not possible. Yes. So can I use substring method? Can I use substring method? So I will say what I should say here. How will you write? SUBSTR. Substring of which one? Substring of which one? Hospital. They are telling you to take the hospital name. Now, how will you write for this? Now, they are telling you to take the second character. Yes or no? 2, 2. 2, 2 na? 2, 1 na? 2, 1 na? 2, 2. Why 2, 2? Only to get the second character. Don't you think that after the first character only you will get the second character? So I have to write 1 there. Yes or no? Guys, I have to write 1 here. No. Because, see, you have 2 characters. They are not telling you to fetch both the characters. They are just telling you from the first one, you leave the first one and fetch the second character. You have already mentioned second character. But they are telling, leaving the first one, you are supposed to fetch only the second one. Not 2 characters. Not 2 characters. If it was 2 characters, then you would have given 2, 2, or alone you would have given only 2. They are telling you to fetch the value leaving the first character and take only the second character. That is the reason I'm writing 1 here and not 2. Clear? Clear with this? From the table called as hospital. Clear? Have they given any condition here? Have they given any condition here? No. So this completes not with your SQL. This completes with your string functions. This completes with your string functions. Yak late? Inna late ag barbekagitte. Yak ish bega bandre? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಳೆ ಬತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಬಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೈದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರು ಮುಂದೆ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗತಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ತಾನೆ ಏನ್ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು back benchers are worst. Okay, take down the next. Okay, so you people are clear with string functions? Yes. First of all, I shut up. First of all, I had said you people to solve what? To solve what? To solve hacker rank questions. How many questions have you solved and what is your rank? 1 lakh anta yavanadru helbeku football agi hogtira ಇವತ್ತು. Yeah. What is the rank you've got there? Open your laptops. Open your laptops. Let me see. Online students, are you people solving the hacker rank questions? Online students, are you people solving the hacker rank questions? Divya, Darshan, Harish, Jyoti Krishna, Charan, Lokesh, Santosh, Bayamma, Saklen, Viresh, Danshekar, Darshan. Okay. Nikita, what is your rank, Nikita? Nikita, what is your rank? Nikita? Charan, what is the rank you have got? Okay. Everyone first open hacker rank. Everyone first open hacker rank. Let me see. Because there are some people who have not even created the account. There are some people, I will tell you who those are. SQL basics completed. What about others? What about others? Starting class only I have said, if I have not done with that topic, leave that and continue with the rest. As yes or no? Yes or no? Ma'am, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗೂಟ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ Okay, what is your rank, guys? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇಡ 16 lakh. You? Supriya, yes? Kanaya? Nikita? Uma? Usha? Anastya? Shisha? Validating. ಏನು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ఎక్కడ్రా ಎಲ್ಲೋ what's your rank? Shisha, even you're not solving. Very good, don't solve. 12 lakh. Nikita? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? How much yours? 16 lakh. ಮುಂದಿಲ್ಲಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟಾ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೋಗೋ ನಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗೋ How much your rank? Rank ಎಷ್ಟು? Yours? Yours ma? Percentage కాదు rank చెప్పు 16 lakh. ಡೇ ಆಯ್ತು. ತಾವು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ನೀನು ನರಸಿಂಹಲು ಅಫ್ರೀದ್ 20,000 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತು. 20 lakh. See, people who study only, you people don't do. I don't know what to tell. Supriya, you're solving. No, you're not solving. Don't solve. Nikita, you're still in 55th. Wait. 5 lakh. See, she's at least in 5 lakh. ನೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂದ? 16. You? Don't know. Check. Solving hackering questions. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಗಳ? ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 13. When will you finish this hackering questions? After I die? After I die, you people will solve. On my dead body, come and keep, ma'am, I got this rank. No, before I die only you'll. Dream. I will show you people what dream is. When will you solve this hackering questions? Within 9 days, your SQL will get completed. What else is left out? Joins is left out. Functions I'll complete it. After that, what else is left out? SQL commands is left out. Subqueries is left out. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶುದ್ಧ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. If I ask you people the same question, no voice. Yeah, what is left out? SQL commands is left out. Then SQL commands languages, both are one only. Okay. Then joins is left out. Subqueries is left out. Then what else is left out? What else is left out? That's all. See, till now, you people saw these string functions. Yes. Why this? Can you people list me out the different types of string functions? Why uppercase is used? Why uppercase is used? If you want to capitalize any word, then you will be using uppercase function. Lowercase. When you will be using lowercase? At least now answer no, please. When you will use the lowercase? When you want to display any alphabets in lowercase, then you will be using that lowercase function. What is the next type of function? Length. Why will you use this length function? If you want to get the length of any string, then you will be using length function. Then next, reverse. Why will you use reverse function? To reverse a string. When you will use concat function, whenever you want to combine any two columns, is it always only two columns? Or you can combine how many other columns is there? How many other columns, whichever we want, we can combine by using concat function. Next one is replace function. Why we have to use replace function? When you want to replace any part of a string by some other string, then you will be using this replace function. Next one is substring function. From one entire string, if you want to take a part of a sentence, then you will be using substring. In string, when you want to get the position, what do you mean by position? What do you mean by position? Position andre en bro? Girls, you will go and ask your boyfriends, no? Hey, tell what is my position in your life? Priority in my life. What do you mean by position? Huh? Hey, what do you mean by position? Don't go to boyfriend and girlfriend. Come back to SQL. Place where the character is placed. Okay. Then, when you will be using trim function, in this trim function is used to remove the spaces. Yes or no? What are the two types of spaces you saw? Leading space and trailing space. What is leading space? Does it come before the string or after the string? Before the string. And trailing space after the string. Yes. And next one, when you will be using LPAD, RPAD. What do you mean by padding? If you want to add any values towards the left, then you will be using LPAD. If you want to add anything towards the right, middle, you don't have any MPAD and all. Okay, please. Next one, today as you saw, left function, right function and ascii function. In ascii function, will you get second character, third character value? No. ASCII function is used to get only the value of the first character. Still, if you want to get the value of second character or third character by using ASCII function, then you have to use another one function. Which function is that? You will be using substring function. Yes, clear with all the string functions. Take down the next question. Take down the next heading as number functions. Yay, yay. What's up, Magle? ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೋ ಓ ಇವ ಡೆಮೋ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ okay I didn't understand why you have dressed so handsome today. Number functions. In that number functions you will be learning something called as mod function and ABS function. ABS ಅಂದ್ರೆ anti brake system ಅಲ್ಲ, absolute value function. Okay, yes, yes. So take down the first question. Write a query to display product name. Write a query to display product name and product ID. Write a query to display product name and product ID where product ID is odd. Where product ID is odd. Now go back to the functions where you have written the list of functions. No, go back there. Go to that page. Now, if you see there, do you have any function called as odd function or even function? Huh? Do you have any function called as odd function and even function? Now, according to the query which they have given now, they have not mentioned which function you have to use. Yes or no? Yes or no? But they have just said you that whether you have to get, they have just mentioned whether you have to get odd numbers or even numbers. Yes. But according to the function, according to the number function which I am teaching, that is one is mod function, another one is absolute value function. Now, in these two, which one will you use? Mod function. Why mod function? See, when you will get odd values or even values, whenever you divide any number with 2, and you get the remainder 0, then you can call it as even numbers. Yes, whenever you divide any number with 2 and you get the remainder as 1, then you will be calling it as odd values. Yes or no? Now, you got to know that, see, dividing is nothing but modulus function. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So now, according to the query which they have given, they are telling you to display the product name and product ID, and you have to get the product ID and product ID wherever, product ID for only odd numbers. Yes or no? So now, for that, before that, you have to create one product table. You have to create one product table. In that product table, it should have product ID, product name, and product price. That product table should have product ID, product name, and product price. Product price, don't keep 532, 632, 420. Okay. Keep it in decimal values. Keep it in decimal values. Okay. And keep it for 7 values. 7 values. Okay. Clear? Clear? Now you people create the table, or you want me to write it on the board? I'll write it. No? Papa ma'am kashta kodbardu antalla. So now they are telling, according to the query, they are telling, write a query to display the product name and product ID. Product name and product ID, where product ID is odd. Yes or no? Now, according to the first one, obviously you know that you have to use mod function. Yes, mod function. So now, what are they telling you to select? Select what and what? Select, you have to select both product ID and product name. Yes or no? Yes or no? From which table? From the table called as product. Now, what is the condition? Obviously, you have to use the mod function. So now what is the condition? You have to say where I will say mod of for product ID, should you get the odd values, or for the product name you have to get the odd values? Product ID. So I will say where modulus of product ID, then what I have to do? That's all. Product ID. That product ID, you are supposed to divide it with 2, and then I have to get the remainder as 1. Yes or no? Odd. I'll put it as odd. Question nodri. See, now why I have written product ID comma 2? Product ID comma 2, why have I written it? Because according to the query which they have given, they are telling you to get the product ID for odd values. Yes or no? So I am taking the product, I am taking the column, I am taking that product ID column, and I am dividing it with 2. Why I am taking 2? Why I have to divide it with 2? Because I have to get the remainder as 1. That is the reason I am dividing it with 2, and I am saying the remainder should be equal to 1. Then only I will get the odd value. Okay, clear? If I have to get the even values, where mod product ID comma 2 is equals to 0. Clear? Clear? Online students, are you people sleeping? Online students. Online students, are you people sleeping? Am I audible? Yes, take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query to find the product. Write a query to find the product price. Wait. Write a query to find the product with a product price. With a product price that leaves a remainder of, that leaves a remainder of 99.03400, which leaves a remainder of 99.03400. Done? Done? When divided by 100. When divided by 100. Now what you have to do? They are telling you to write a query to find the products. Yes or no? So are they telling you to find for any specific column? No. So what you will write? You will say select star. From which table? From the table called as product. Yes or no? What is the condition they are telling here? Product price that leaves a remainder of. So obviously here also you have to use mod function. Yes or no? Now I will say where. Which function I have to use now? Which function? I have to use mod function. Now what they are saying? That product price divided by which number? When the product price is divided by 100, I have to get the remainder value as 99.03400. Correct? Correct? Yes. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query to display the remainder. Write a query to display the remainder when 1, 2, 3 is divided by 2. Write a query to display the remainder when 1, 2, 3 is divided by 2. Now, is this raw data or is the data already present? Raw data, yes. How will you write the query for this? Select direct generate modulus. Yes, select modulus of 1, 2, 3, 2. And you have to get the remainder. You have to get the remainder. Yes, take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query to display the remainder. Write a query to display the remainder when 140 is divided by 5. Write a query to display the remainder when 140 is divided by 5. What you will get the remainder as? 0. Pakka? Yes. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. No, not a question. I will just casually ask you one question. Okay. Predict the output of the following query. Predict the output of the following query. The query is select modulus of 0, 0. Okay. Now, the options are, will you get 0 or will you get 1 or will you get error or will you get null value? Huh? Why null? You people have the confusion. There are only 2 options. You will get either 0 or null. Yes, will you get 0 or will you get null? Why null? 0 divided by anything is null or 0. Huh? 0 by 0 is infinity. Yes or no? So, will you take it as 0 or will you take it as null? Null. Pakka. You do one thing. You solve this query in your laptops and you tell me the answer. Take down the next query. Next query. Wait. Write a query. Freeze. What happened? Tell it's okay. Tilda. Personal. Nasimulu, why you become so silent? Typhoid has changed you, huh? Write a query to display product name and absolute value. Product name and absolute value of product price as absolute value for all products. Now tell me which function will you use? Will you use mod function or absolute function? What do you mean by this absolute value? What do you mean by absolute value, guys? So now for an example, guys, please see here. What is this? Do you remember this? Hey. Do you remember what I'm writing? Do you remember this line somewhere? Grapha. Who? Have you seen this somewhere? What is it called as? Not graph. If I put another one line, it will become graph. Number line? Yes or no? So now, what do you mean by absolute value? Now, I want to get the value for this number 2. What is the value? I want to get the absolute value of the 2. I mean, whichever position it is placed, I want to get to know the value of the 2. What is the value? What is the value? See, from 0 to 1, it is one number. 1 to 2, it is another number. So the absolute value is 2 only. Yes or no? Ray. Now, what is the absolute value of -4? What is the value of, what is the absolute value of -4? 4 only. Why? 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. It is a negative value. Yes or no? Why cannot I say that it is -4th value? Why can't I say -4th value, and why am I saying it as 4? Absolute value is always positive integer. Will you get negative integer anywhere? No. Okay. Now take down the, so according to the query, what are they telling? Write a query to display the product name and absolute value of product price. Now, how will you write the query for this? First of all, they are telling you to select the product name. So you will write select product name, comma. Then they are telling you absolute value of product price. So can I use the function ABS here? Absolute value of product price. Now, they are using column alias also here as what? As absolute value. From which table? From the table called as product. Clear? Clear? Take down the last query. Write a query to find the absolute value for, write a query to find the absolute value for -55.5. -55.5. How will you write the query for this? Is it a raw data? Yes or no? How will you write the query? Select absolute value for -55.5. Here, what will you get the value as? Output will be 55.5. Clear? Now solve all this query in your laptops. Then do with HackerRank questions also. Last half an hour, keep in your mind, last half an hour, I know, whenever you people will go home, guarantee shoes will be in Uttara, laptop will be in Dakshina direction, and you people will be sitting on your PG, what is it called as bed, and you people will be scrolling with reels. I know that is the very important thing which you people will do. So shut up, and every day, last half an hour, you people will solve the HackerRank questions in the class only. Okay. By this SQL class, when this SQL class gets over, in all of your laptops, I have to see rank number 1. If I don't see, then it is possible. Guys, trust me, previously I was working in Codenan Destination, okay? When I was working there, I just gave 2 days time for my students. 2 days time, they got rank number 1. 2 days. Okay. They didn't copy. They did it in front of me only. 1 week. If you sit for 1 complete day, no, worst case 2 days, you can solve it. Okay. So you people will also solve it. Yes or no? Online students, yes or no? Online students, will you people solve or you'll not solve? Yes. So you people are clear with the question, the topics which I taught today? Yes or no? Yes. So everyone solve the same queries in your laptops. Show that, and then you people solve the HackerRank question. Leave. And then you people solve the HackerRank questions. Yes. Start. Nikita. ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನಿದು ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಐತೆ You solved all those questions in laptop. Then solve these questions first in your SQL command line client. Then go to HackerRank. ತಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ HackerRank ನ ನರ್ಸಿಮುಲು ಯಾಕೋ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ చేయరా stopped. Guys, first create a table for product. Okay, okay, Sanjay. Please continue with the hacker rank questions. This week again you'll have mock. Yeah, no. Dakar, every time we'll be talking now. What you will talk so much? Huh? What, bro? Joe, what happened? He's showing some video to you. For that, why should you laugh? Online students, are you people doing or you people left the class? Guys, hacker rank questions is very much important to you all. turn off the lights. Light.